This is the Belkin 8 outlet surge protector. It is a really great product and it can hold so many things. It's got 8 different 3-prong outlets that you can plug into here, and so it can hold a lot of stuff. And then we got the 8-foot cord, but it does also come in different lengths as well. But this is a really nice long cord, great for putting underneath a desk or underneath a couch or under your bed. It can stretch a long ways, which is really nice. And then also this outlet over here is a great 3-prong outlet, and it also is flat top, which I love that, so it doesn't stick really far out from your wall. So that's great as well. Love that this is a surge protector. It even has indicator lights here to show that you're protected. And like I said, it can just hold so much. It usually goes underneath my husband's desk, and he plugs all of his computer things into this, and it works out great for him, and we love that it's a surge protector. So if you're looking for a great new extension cord outlet, then I highly recommend this.